So welcome back to the channel. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So this, if you take a look at it, the overall trend is an uptrend. I want you to know that GBPUSD is trending to the upside, right? So if you're a position trader, or if you're a swing trader, or you're a long-term trader, what you should be looking out for on your GBPUSD is a bullish move. In the long run, we'll be expecting to push up and give us a bullish move, especially those that would want to their position for the next 3 months to 6 months, or even 7 months or 8 months. In the long term, we will be expecting GBPUSD to give us that bullish move. But for now, it looks like market wants to give us one more sell again, which is likely going to happen because when you take a look at it, market has been selling here, so market has been falling. So if in case this is a pullback, markets will most likely going to drop again. So that is what we should be expecting. We should be anticipating for a drop. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. There could be a change to this movement. There could be a change to this prediction. If markets eventually push up, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. But if it does not do that and it starts dropping, then it will be best you go ahead and hop in on the sell. So guys, in order for you not to miss out on the next update on GBP USD, click on that subscribe button right now.